That is Timex R300 GPS watch. Looks very nice, comfortable on the hand, but it's like showing run pulses. A few times I checked that pulse, it was like showing 150, 140. In manually, if you check, it's like 80, 75. Yeah, something wrong with the sensors. And I hike a lot in GPS, sometimes showing a totally different number in the miles. Very disappointing. Like I hike 7 miles, it was showing 21 miles, and it's losing GPS sometime, and after that when you come back it's added a few more miles. It's very strange. I mean, very disappointed. Let me see. Otherwise it's comfortable. GPS work like 25 hours. It's very good actually. Yeah, why about it? Touch screen, workouts, different workouts options. For example, if you take walking, it's looking for GPS. Let's see how long it will take to find GPS in a town. Let's keep looking. Okay, ready. Okay, it's good. And you can see here time, lap time, and distance. It's don't show in pulse, heartbeat, and it's important when you do something workout. I don't know why is that. Yeah, it's not good. I disregard it. Coaching, review, music, activity, alarm, settings. Yeah, just like that. Yeah. Well, thank you for looking. Good luck.